panguva ine VP Kosa anochenga kutanga kureceive attacks. We are seeing there are some accounts which are being created on social media. Ari kuno kwanzi ari panguva ino achiuya achidiscredita VP Kosa anochenga achitaura mamwe mashoko ana words of hate speech pamwe chete nekunotarisa pese pese zvinenge zvatokwa naVP Kosa anochenga vachinoprovide an argument inoti rinenge riri negative. Nzarapinda mashoko anodanyurwa panguva ino. That's one cause this is a direct attack on VP Kosa anochenga. Don't subscribe or like but now on the bell icon. Keep it up handle. This one has defined mafano mdanyura chiti. Never again shall we have General Constantino Chiwenga in power. This man is openly calling for war and issuing threats of bloodshed over these personal ambitions. That is not leadership. That is raw military muscle flexing. Zimbabwe has suffered enough from generals who treat the country like their personal barracks. We reject militarized rule before, and we must reject it again. No more coups, no more threats, no more turning into politics, no more turning politics into a battlefield. The people of Zimbabwe deserve real democracy, not another strongman trading liberation war rhetoric while eyeing the throne. Doma developments and Mudapangwa in it. Know that there are some things. Anoisa no to Chiwenga. Zimbabwe deserves better. Never again. My developments are no yes one Kokunzi. These are just attacks on VP Kosa Chiwenga for speaking the truth. These are attacks on VP Kosa Chiwenga for trying to restore order, for trying to restore legacy, for trying to call a spade a spade. And the good Tandan such Gananda. As we are seeing VP Kosa Chiwenga receive these attacks, I would know to Chiwenga and he shall never be in power again. These are direct attacks are generally Pangwaine, but Pangwaine Kunwanzi general Rovachana Vane Naro. Pangwaine, we are seeing him. Adugunuyas to my public displays. I know attend my chief services. I just want to receive a divine intervention. Just want to go through Naskananda. The next music she made of email clip. I'm so subscribe or like up on the bell icon.